last 4 days are missing, and it's because this happened. Yeah, we decided to switch 2 of our rooms in our house and put my business stuff in the larger room, and it's been a little overwhelming. So today you get to see me put together my computer station, edit this video, and throw it up. Tomorrow, we're going to be working on my crafting area. Third day, which I think is day 10, we're going to be doing my screen printing area. The last couple of days, I'll do like a final tour of all my storage and everything. So, thanks for being patient while I get all of this under wraps to get ready for a new year.